body, not on my face.
That's what you want, you know. So just to show, we can turn around the chair and then you can make a photo and then you see what is better.
Oh, we can now take a photo like this, and then I can decide.
Exactly. Okay, let's change a little bit. Just to see what you like, what you prefer. You can go in there, save, right. You know, like, it's difficult to say. Make it a heart on the side, like just here.
Oh, okay.
I think it's nice.
Like this one?
Yeah, perfect. Or you can do something like this, or you also can lay on your, you know, like this. Yeah, like this. Hug the chair. Like this, yeah. As you prefer. Just as much as you feel comfortable. Up like this makes you too small. Got it. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is the red ones. I cannot see your face.
Not a problem. Oh wow.
Everybody's gonna be happy to see you there.
I don't care.
as you are kind of falling back. Yes, perfect. Sweaty?
I have on my lashes.
So I think it's very fine here, and you are in this direction.
Here?
As I said, yeah, this we can make like that.
Yeah, messy.
As I said, I have a light. I can just put a little bit. Enjoy your bed. Now it's taking on you. Sometimes I have to say, don't get wrong. Like open your legs, okay? Sometimes.
More?
Yeah, if you can. Like sometimes I have to say, so don't get wrong.
No, I like that.
Above your head when you don't know what to do, and just try to like play with your hands, you know, play yourself with your hands, you know, like touch your body, stuff like that. And if you can, if you remember, like just not keep like both on the same level, like one up, you know,
Okay.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. You just play. Dark, but
Yeah, but I like it. Perfect.
I like this one. It looks like you have a flat.
Yeah.